Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain hose in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a 5/16" nut driver, a pair of pliers, and a homemade support strap. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain hose. The drain hose connects the drain pump outlet to the outside drain. If you notice water under the washer at the end of the drain cycle, check the drain hose for cracks and tiny pinholes and replace it if needed. Let's start with taping the lid down to the cabinet. Next, we're going to lift the top. We need to undo the clips here, approximately 2.5 inches from the side. We're going to insert the putty knife and push down on the locking clip. Lift the top off. All right, slowly let it down. Then do the same thing on the opposite side. Remember, 2.5 inches. Push it in. And now we can lift the top of the cabinet and install the support strap. And put those hooks through the holes. If you have the wall right behind the washer, you can support the top on the wall. And now we're going to use a 5/16" nut driver to remove the 2 screws that holds the front panel to the cabinet. Push the top to the side to get an access to the second screw. And then remove. Now we can remove the front panel. Tilt it towards you, about 45 degrees, and then pull it up to take off the bottom hinges. Place the towel under the drain pump outlet. Using the pliers, squeeze and slide the hose clamp. Remove the hose from the drain pump. You may need to use a flat blade screwdriver. I have lowered the top down, and now we can go to the back of the washer. And using the 5/16" nut driver, take one screw out and lift off and slide out the cover plate. Now we can pull out the drain hose. This is the old drain hose next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide in the drain hose. Install the cover over the smooth part of the hose and secure it with a 5/16" screw. And let's leave the top again and put this support strap. And now we can connect the hose to the pump. Let's remove the towel. We don't need it anymore. And now we can connect the hose to the pump. There's 2 ports on the pump, and it would be very difficult to connect it to the wrong one because there's only one available. Using the pliers, secure the drain hose with a clamp. Alright, install the front panel on the bottom hinges. Match the cutouts with the hinges. Push it down and push it forward. And now we're going to secure the front panel to the cabinet. We're going to use this 5/16" screw. Again, we're going to push the top to the side, out of the way, and then repeat the procedure on the opposite side. And now we can remove the holding strap. Simply unhook it and lower the top. Put it down and push it to lock on both clips. Now we can remove the tape. Turn the water on plug the washer back in, and make sure there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.